Me I tell the truth and me I do focus. I want to the person who tell the lie. I'm to that person who tell the lie. Person have name so that good. No name. No name. That what I like with the app, with TikTok itself. If you know the name, you can't come over here to come show a point or clear the ear or nothing. You see me, you have to look somebody platform for do it pan. But here we go and you see that local platform here. What them claims that them will give me. You see anything I have to say over here may come say it. Anything at all. See me? Yeah, so who don't like that, take it to the Lord in prayer. Because we not stop. Gaza attacks what going. Nah, stop.
I nah come for stay long, police, but I come for tell you one something. I watch you and my spirit take you and you say God bless you. You not have to explain nothing to nobody, you don't need nobody validation. And you're right. Stay up on your platform and vent. You don't need to go up on RIQ, you don't need to go up on GQ, fly butterfly, twist fly. You don't need to go up on nobody platform. Stay up on yourself. Because RIQ, them a look name and them a look fame. Stay up on your platform, vent. You have feelings, you matter. Anything say it matters. When woman hurt, when we talk, we are heard. So when man hurt and you talk, you are supposed to be heard. But let me tell you this. It's not every wrong it's not every X mean wrong. Sometimes you multiply your choices. Everything happen in your life for a reason. No regret nothing. No take back nothing where you say nobody make nobody call you down. You learn from every situation that happen. And you just look on it and calculate it and just know say the next move you make, it better for you. Because my sister, it a burden you down. Because you're a human being and you have feelings. It a burden you down. Don't make nobody call you down. As soon as them come up, Ricky go suck your blood clot, woman no come back up here. Risky or whatever you want name. Don't make nobody call you down. You have feelings. And all me can tell you if you do a prayer, and leave it to God on time. Anytime you feel for vent, you come and yes and vent. Make me and the moderator block out them blood clot if them come and say nothing negative. Vent yes so. Because if you not vent, you go mad. See one girl yesterday, the girl have mental problem. I told them yesterday the girl jump, one trainer pass and she jump and kill herself. No make nothing, keep nothing in your head and make it bother you. You have a platform, vent. People care about you. I know everybody in your life are going to be with you. Or if you never depend this TikTok. So just do you, be you, and feel free. Somebody are going to come along.
Same so.
And care about you. I don't want you put nothing on your head, my general. I say it's a burden you. I want you make a tea. I don't want to see you drink no energy drink. I just want you make some tea and burn your split. No drink no energy drink today. Because you have too much on your brain. Come and talk and vent. Yeah, queen, one queen. The girl over here, nobody not believe her, say she have mental problem and she attack and everybody a cower down and I tell her say she not to do this and not do that. I tell them I get her call, say she jump over a train, she kill herself. So not true, nobody have a name on the app. Name and nothing, your feelings matter. We don't give a fuck who a queen from, who a south or king or what. Your feelings matter. No make nobody call you down and you don't need nobody validation in this situation. I am Blinga did in it and you know how you feel. You know where you give, you know the promises where you get and you feel hurt. None of we don't know. The girl at 26 and so she jump. The girl at 26, my love. The whole Congolese concern because she come from Congo and she live in England. And all she attack people are coward down. Because she said somebody rape her from Congo. And through the whole community know the boy. I say people them are coward down. See there? She take it to her and jump over one train. When the train a pass and she wait till the fast train a pass. Not the normal train, the express train them. She timed the train. No make nobody call you down. And from what day I put my back and I say I go put my loyalty to you. Anybody, any life I go pan and my ear just come off or I cuss if they want black me, I black, yeah. But me depend on your team and you have people you say we're with you. So nobody feel bad.
More I'm there, I feel like nobody know it, Mrs.
No, you have people with you.
No, moderator them different. Isn't it?
People with you on the top of the screen, guys. Any little thing you have on a send it. You know, one little one flowers or any little thing on send it over. God bless you now. Top up the screen, guys. Thank you, most wanted. Big up yourself. May your basket never be empty. Big up on yourself. One queen life. Big up. I want to thank on all gifters. Any little thing count. People with you, man. Don't worry yourself. We're with you. Many are called and few are chosen.
Hi, Kev.
Hi, baby. Most wanted, you alright?
I'm good.
See, you have people over here, most wanted. Come up. You have people where with you. See, she come up. If she never with you, she wouldn't come up here. We care about you. We care about you. Me I give you an example. Look on Swiss Lee we try to live. Like say, him no want nobody bash him. Him are the one of the most positive guy on TikTok. And look how one little crop top. Look how them bash him and look. And everybody go with you. And everybody go with you. See people them a come up because them like you.
Stop putting me in your box. Brethren, you know say me with you. Me with you. Me no like how you do it. Guess what? Your life still matter or you not tell no lie. Me just not like how you do it. Me no like how you do it. I'm going to tell you say me no like how you do it. But guess what? Me believe every word what you say and your life matter. And I am with you. And you know that from day one. Because me keep my life and me go over there and me tell people me and them talk because you don't know the 411. Me and them talk, and I tell them, look here, this is this is that, this is a person wrong, this a way, this a person wrong that way. But at the end of the day, I'm still with you. People with you, a lot of people. Because when people come from my life, the amount of people who are with you, I can't even believe.
See?
So no feel like people with you.
Tell you.
It just is half and half. It's split down the middle. You have half, exactly. I go be over there, so and you go have half, I go be with you.
All right. Me, can I say something? Sorry, yeah. Man. Good night. TikTok, are you named police? Yeah. Search here from when to talk to you or hear your side of the story. I can hear some people are bash this and a bash you. But me get you understand, brother. Let me tell you something. You're a man. And you don't need to bring down your image because of one woman. Big woman, little woman, or whatever. A big woman make a decision. See a youth and like a youth. It never work. It just never work. You don't need to come and disrespect our mother and them thing. You're big man, you bring down yourself.
Hear me after now. It never reached this until me find out that them post a video of me, a gay batty boy video of me. And I say, of me. You see me? So me if you just sit down so and just love that them just post it and I say me, I'm just sit down and just love it just like that. Like now.
Sometimes you have to do that, you know, because if you feed into the fuel or the fire, it's going to make you look guilty.
Actually, if lose or marry, now we just do something. If that's what them do.
No, but if you even talk and disrespect nobody, that don't make him look guilty. I mean, people disrespect him too. That not, you know, I mean, a two side to a story, brethren.
Yes, but you don't
A
have to
two side.
you don't have to feed into the negative.
Right, but other people feed into it too. So at the end of the day, him still have feelings too. Me not tell him say I'm right to do him or I do it now, because you don't hear me tell him say I'm not right. But at the end of the day, I mean, everybody a disrespect people right now, so it's a fair game. When him first come out and I say, Ray, me I say, brethren, you shouldn't say it that way. I shouldn't do it that way. Style her up in our whatever. Me not care what you want call her when you text her or message her. Just not compare yourself with it.
Right.
Because at the end of the day, she a hurt too, you know. Me see she upon her life and me can tell say she a hurt too.
Yeah, because now me realize that two, as I say, two side, now me realize, me say, nah, man, something tense in that thing, yeah, man.
Me just don't like you fox and come on TikTok and say it. But guess what? Me I tell you something. Everybody, nobody leave the youth alone. Everybody do things. Man go analyze woman because born are them here fuckery. Listen, the youth having way of him how him doing things. All right, we still not agree with it. We still not agree with some of how she do it too. So at the end of the day, me see it right now as a fair game. The first part of them come out, no. But when people are gonna come out with video and say you are do this because certain things, no, a fair game, no. Anybody get for something them mother just saw it go.
Brother, me see it on live. Well, I think me see it on live, and even me. A stranger, I know say it on live. And a couple of your dog them around here and you are show gun in your way. Brother, jail you saying yourself?
Hold on there, sir. Serial enterprise. Sweetie, everything where you say, me agree with everything where you say, right? Me agree with everything where you say. But how me think of it is the reason why police come pan the app with it. And with the blood clot the boy you call me for. The reason why him come pan the app with it is right. And everybody meet him on the app. It come like if you have a friend and your family don't know your friend and she do something to you, and only people on the app will know and sitting is then you go them too. So me just right. You understand enterprise, me just kinda I wonder different ways why him would have come and talk on the app.
You come out and talk.
You get me?
Same set of people them when me I come tell say yeah true.
But at the end of the day,
so that's
you
the
know what me like? You know what me
yeah.
like? Let me tell you what me like out of all of this. Let me tell you what me like out of all of it. When she come on the other night, yeah, me could tell her she hurt and embarrassed about all of this. Me that embarrassed too, and me that hurt too. Both are not embarrassed and I hurt. But what me like is she still never deny say she say you're not or something. Me like that part there. So she never deny because you can't deny that part, say Una did really in her things. She might not come out and say, yes, me F him, but the things that what she say is obvious that she's saying that, yeah, we did in her things.
Mm-hmm.
But look here, after all of that go down and stuff, the part where they put out things about the youth of fish, let me tell you something. And at the end of the day, she's not supposed to say the youth of fish because remember, when they come out and say youth of fish, you say man never fish. So no one can be fish. Because if you sleep with him and then because you bex them a fish, don't you see which the fair game come in? If you tell her said this and you tell her said that, at this point, me just see which part right now is a fair game. Anybody is fair.
To make it look like Anasi put out the video.
All right, you want me to help you to deal with that? Let me tell you something. Because through me kind of deal with things different. You see me now? They say some good if it take some bad and make good. Guess what happened? Say guess what? All right, me a fish, but she F the fish. So if me a fish, she F this a fisher. And me was a fish fishy. That's it. Sometimes we know say not no gossip. We know in a gossip. But at the end of the day, guess what? Don't sit down and try to prove your point say you know fish, brethren. In now go look here, you could have sit down till God come and my human being here deal with. Come off of that now. Leave that alone. If they come up with 10 more, as long as they don't come and show your face so and show your body hole like Abel showing body hole. Look here. I'll see Dicka going in your body. You are right, brethren. Stop trying to prove the point, say you know fish, brethren. How much more you gonna talk about it?
I'm sure something and everybody understanding.
You don't care at this point who understand. Bridget, you don't care who understand or who don't understand. Let me tell you how me see. You see, if me and somebody in a something, I mean, no say, like say, me na youth na something, I mean, no say, I got this me now because me tell him, me no want him.
Me not cut you. Jamaica money. Some people not have understanding. Some people not read for understand. Some people not watch and read for understand. Some people just see the video and see the title, TikTok police, body video, and just run with it.
All right, you hear all your
watch the video or follow through to see if I real something or not. Them just run with it.
Go make one. Everybody go for FYP page. Go make one video and say, guess what? If me a fish, Blinga F the fish. And then you put it, say, SYM, and that's it. That's it, and move on. Because guess what? You could have stayed till God, then could have seen blood around to your eye. People are going to believe what they want, believe. You could have talked until next week, come next year, come. People are going to believe what they want, believe. All right, look on our friend, right? You know who me I talk. Them say him this and him that. What him do? You see kill him? Do you see kill him? When he court and say, yes, me a this, me a that.
She the last time them have the argument in the whole way. She is swearing up on her life, you know, she not go sit down back beside her man, you know. But me assure you, if any woman out there, any woman attack them to lose their marriage, you know, depending on how them for lose their marriage, them I go want to retaliate, I go want to do something. She don't want to stand alone now, so she have to.
Okay. So wait, what the point you try to prove this or then? So what point you try to prove? So you're going to stay on every day and talk about it, because if you can't talk about it, people are going to believe or disbelieve? Yeah. No, man, you're even done with that, man, and move on, man, and go live your life, man, and do your want, do and click your life and enjoy your life and do what you want, do and stuff. Yeah. Just enjoy your life and just do what you want, do now and just, yeah. When them come out with something fresh, then you address the fresh, and you address it for a few days, and you're done. You don't want to get up and be the TikTok live clown every day. Just make them stay. Make them say what they want to say. You first saying us. So if them come back and say, people, because the point that me I try to make is if you stay up on TikTok for the rest of your life and try to explain, you still going to have people when now go believe. You got some going to believe, some now go believe. And just so the world set up, you can't convince them to not believe, or you can't, other people can't convince them to believe. Like me, look, me see all I video them. Me go up on TikTok, me make all kind of posts. You know things that me see them and hear them. Guess what happened? Me say me not believe. So your sister there somebody else all they wanna believe? You see what I'm saying? There is somebody else all they want to believe. Go find the screen recording where she go look on TikTok and see one of them which part she put up and say, whoever the person was can't bring you down. Me watch it last night. Me that listen. I take me have a screen recorder and me that watch it or something. And she upon somebody something me go see it and she say nobody can bring you down as in our life or whatever. So guess what? Find that and put something else next to it and say, see, what somebody say about me? And now they must say something different. You see what I try to show the counteract it? Me not hear so good enough. I know where you something got. I never my earpiece, but me not hear so good. Yeah.
I say, yeah, me hear something.
Yes, find it. Go find the screen recording, brethren. You be fine. Let me send it to you, so you can put something next to it and say, guess what? See what she did say, yeah? And she swear upon her live feed. So now, if they ever put out something, TikTok have so much people upon it. You know how much weeks and months and years you have to stay upon yourself to get everybody to hear you? Brethren, next topic, man. Move on from this, man. If they don't come out with something else about you, man, nobody said nothing else about them, man. Because not everybody are going to believe. Me not believe. And at the end of the day, me still not mad with her. What me upset with her for? I mean, if she see one youth and she wants to see it, my whole thing is, guess what? You, as a big woman, you try to do one hit and run. Me say it every day for my life. Miss Blinga should have just do one. It's sweet, you. Pay the youth some money and go. You should husband up the youth and know youth feelings hurt. The youth feelings hurt because he that husband him up. And some look on it. One hit. Guess what? It good, it's sweet. Damn, man, I can't even go back for more. Somebody's out there with something good too. But now everybody come out and know it look like it sounds bad now, man. But guess what? We stand with you still. We still stand with her, you know, cause me not think you should come out and say it. You should style up in our inbox, in our inbox, in a voice message. Or when she not answer, you find another chip and put in and tell her, say, hey girl, you're dirty girl, you're this, you're that, whatever. But guess what? You do already and we can't take it back. So we have to just live with it.
Then
So
again,
me say?
the kind of one the husband know.
No. I'm not tell her how to do your thing. Me not tell her how to do your thing, cause guess what? No people that call their husband. Me a woman wave for a man if I ramp with me them way them. Me go and call me. I go look here. Me knock on your door. Me knock on your door and ask the husband. Say, so where police there? And say, who are police? Me say my husband, my boyfriend. Yeah. So everybody do it different. Anyway, bless up yourself.
All right, auntie. Who else do you have come up?